What's the meaning of Australasian? Australasian. Australasian.
Australasian. Australasian. The term Australasian refers to the region of Oceania, which comprises Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, and neighboring islands in the Pacific Ocean. It is a combination of two words, Australia and Asia, reflecting the historical and geographical ties between the two regions. The term is commonly used in reference to the flora, fauna, geology, and cultural heritage of the region. Furthermore, there are various organizations and events that use the designation Australasian, such as the Australasian College of Surgeons, Australasian Society for Ultrasound in Medicine, and Australasian Science magazine.